Southeastern Union County in upstate South Carolina until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:28 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southwest of York to 5 miles southeast of Lawrence, moving at 60 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
That was inevitable.
Damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Rock Hill, Union, Chester, Clinton, Leslie, Monarch Mill, Joanna, Fort Lawn, Lockhart, and Carlisle. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Chester, Lawrence, Union, and York. Here is